I'm just building some grab-and-go salads for the week, and I wanted to show you the prep work that I've got before I start making them. I'll leave you a link below where you can source these kinds of containers. They're great. The lids snap down, I squeeze all the air out, and when you get all that air out, your salads will really last a long time in the refrigerator. Mine are gonna be good for 4 to 5 days. So for my prep, I've got some kidney beans, chickpeas. I've got some black-eyed peas that I had in the freezer. I just cooked up some green lentils. And here I've got some corn, red peppers, red cabbage, radish, green peas, and some carrots. And then, like I said, I've got my lettuce there too. I'll show you what these look like when they're all done. So these are the salads, they're all done now. I'm gonna put a link below so you can see my technique for putting these all together. I layer in the harder things on the bottom, so like beans, chickpeas, lentils. And then I go with red cabbage, the hard carrots, and then the lighter things like corn and peas. Then my lettuce, and on the top I've got some radishes, slivered radishes, and cherry tomatoes, and some cucumber that I've taken the seeds out of. So that's the grab-and-go salads that I've got for the week. And it sure makes it easier to make a decision for lunch. I'll also put a link below for homemade salad dressings with no oil. So thanks for watching. My name's Jill. Have a great day.